Hi travelers! In today's video, we'll explore some of the most beautiful, hidden gems in northern and central Italy. These places are perfect for those seeking adventure, history, and authentic Italian experience without the usual tourist crowds. Let's dive in. Northern Italy Hidden Gems. 1. Chioggia Veneto, Little Venice without the crowds. Chioggia, located near Venice, offers charming canals and colorful boats, but without the hustle of its famous neighbor. This fishing town is known for its vibrant seafood market, perfect for a lunchtime visit. Visit the local beaches of Sottomarina, and enjoy a peaceful day by the Adriatic Sea. 2. Bobbio, Emilia-Romagna, a bridge to the past. Tucked into the Trebbia Valley, Bobbio is home to the famous Ponte Gobbo, which crosses the river with its curious arches. You'll also find the Abbey of San Colombano, a monastery with deep medieval roots. Combine a history tour with a dip in the Trebbia River, a favorite spot for locals in summer. 3. Rovereto Trentino Alto, a deed art and history in the Alps. Rovereto is known for its Museum of Modern Art, and plays an essential role in Italian the First World War history. Stroll along the peaceful streets, lined with cafes and boutiques, with the majestic Alps in the background. Best tip: visit during a local festival, to see the town come alive with music and street performances. 4. San Leo, Emilia-Romagna, mark a hilltop fortress and mysticism. San Leo is perched on a cliff with breathtaking views of the Marecchia Valley. Explore the San Leo Fortress, once a prison that held Count Cagliostro, a legendary alchemist. Best tip: go at sunset to capture stunning panoramic photos of the surrounding hills. Central Italy Hidden Gems. Civita di Bagnoregio, Lazio, the dying city. 5. Civita di Bagnoregio sits atop a hill, connected by a long pedestrian bridge. This tiny village is known for its surreal setting, and slow erosion of the cliffs beneath it. Wander through the stone alleys and admire the views of the canyon below. Visit early in the morning, to avoid the midday heat and enjoy the silence before other visitors arrive. 6. Pietrasanta, Tuscany, the Marble City. Pietrasanta is a sculpture lover's dream, often referred to as the Little Athens of Italy. It's known for marble art and attracts sculptors from around the world. After a day exploring the art studios and galleries, head to the beaches of Versilia, just a short drive away. Visit in spring or autumn to avoid crowds and enjoy the mild weather. 7. Scli Messapica, Puglia, culinary bliss. While not far from tourist-heavy areas, Scli Messapica remains a hidden treasure for food lovers. Stroll through narrow whitewashed streets and stop at a traditional trattoria for orecchiette, pasta or local cheeses. Try to catch a cooking class with locals to learn the secrets of Apulian cuisine. 8. San Miniato, Tuscany, truffle capital of Italy. This small Tuscan town is famous for its white truffles, which are celebrated in an annual festival every November. Wander its medieval streets, visit the San Miniato Cathedral, and enjoy a meal laced with this luxurious ingredient. Visit in autumn to participate in a truffle hunt. These hidden gems of northern and central Italy offer everything from art and history to culinary delights and outdoor adventures. So, the next time you're planning a trip, skip the usual hotspots and explore these underrated treasures. See you in the next adventure.